Hi there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about skin habits that can make you look older. Yes, you heard that right. We all want to have a youthful, radiant and glowing skin, but sometimes, without realizing it, we may be doing things that are making us look older. So, let's dive into these 10 habits that we need to be aware of. Number 1. Not wearing sun protection. Sun exposure is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to skin aging. So, make sure you use a good quality sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors. Number 2. Skipping moisturizer. Moisturizer helps keep our skin hydrated and prevents dryness, which can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. So, make sure to apply a good moisturizer every day, both in the morning and before bed. Number 3. Over-exfoliating. Exfoliating is great for removing dead skin cells, but overdoing it can strip away the natural oils from our skin, leaving it dry and dull. Stick to exfoliating once or twice a week, and make sure to use a gentle scrub. Number 4. Sleeping on your stomach. Sleeping on your stomach can cause wrinkles and fine lines on your face and neck. Try sleeping on your back instead, which is gentler on your skin. Number 5. Smoking. Smoking is not only bad for your health, but it also ages your skin. The constant pursing of the lips when smoking can lead to wrinkles around the mouth. So, if you smoke, it's time to quit for the sake of your skin and overall health. Number 6. Not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water is essential for keeping our skin hydrated and healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 7. Not eating a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is important for maintaining healthy skin. Processed and junk food can lead to skin problems, so make sure to eat a balanced diet. Number 8. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is essential for our skin to regenerate and repair itself. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. So, there you have it. Avoiding these habits can help keep your skin looking young and healthy for years to come. Make sure to adopt these healthy skin habits and you'll be on your way to a youthful complexion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this. See you in the next video.